Ever wonder how your hard-earned money can work for you, even while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income streams, a financial strategy that's making waves in the entrepreneurial world and beyond. Take a moment to consider the COVID-19 pandemic and the surge in job resignations it sparked. Many Americans chose to step away from their traditional roles, sparking a need to assess their financial situations. Savings, expenses, debt, all these elements came under scrutiny, with some individuals even choosing to step away from the workforce temporarily. But here's the kicker. Even after quitting a job, it can be beneficial to have additional income streams. This is where passive income comes into play. Consider a freelancer who invests their earnings, or someone who rents out space in their home. These are examples of how one can generate income without actively working for it. Now let's turn our attention to the weekend. Imagine making an extra $2,500 per month through jobs that only take up your weekend time. From being a tour guide to pet sitting, from renting out space to working at weddings, these are all ways to boost your earnings without committing to a full-time job. But why stop at earning extra money? Why not make that money work for you? This is where the concept of cash flow comes into play. Dr. Vikram Raya, CEO and co-founder of Viking Capital Investments, argues that cash flow, not net worth, is the true indicator of wealth and success. Cash flow reflects real-time financial health. It's liquid and stable. It's the money that keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working for it. Diversifying income streams through earning, portfolio, and passive investments can help increase cash flow. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's also about optimizing tax efficiency and investing in financial and investment education. These steps can help increase cash flow and ultimately, wealth. In conclusion, passive income streams offer a way to make your money work for you. They can provide financial stability and freedom, even in uncertain times. So ask yourself, are you ready to let your money work for you?